For the month of August, we set the highest monthly collection ever in my 38 years of career. I thought, I knew everything, of course, after having been in practice for so many years. When my son, Dr. Mike, told me that I am the bottleneck, because I was the jack of all trades. I was adjusting, I was doing day one, everything. We couldn't grow. We'll just try to get the highest record for the month, and then we kind of stay there and then crash and up and down. For the month of August, we set the highest monthly collection ever in my 38 years of career. Before Blueprint, we only had about 4 staff members, and I was just doing a decompression type practice for about 20 years. Ever since I joined the BPA, we started launching neuropathy and decompression. With neuropathy, people come in and say, my doctor just told me flat out, there's nothing they can do. So it's like, we have the solutions for them. I'm speaking to them as a messenger of new hope. And I tell everybody that my mission is to save people from amputation by reversing your neuropathy. And it's really about changing life. And we're there as a team to serve the community and making a difference. If there's anybody who's wondering whether they should join BPA or not, I highly recommend it. So eventually we want to have a $10 million business, $10 million practice. And so we're just gonna go head on and be unstoppable.